Hi, welcome to Storytime. Guess what today is, guys? Do you remember what today it is? We talked about it yesterday in math at calendar time. Today is Earth Day. Earth Day, when we celebrate the earth and all the beautiful creations on it, right? So today we're going to read a book. When I think of Earth Day, for some reason, I always think about trees. So I have a book called Mighty Tree, Story and Pictures by Dick Gackenbach. That's a lot of k sounds in it, right? All right, so we're going to read The Mighty Tree in honor of Earth Day. Some time ago, the wind blew 3 tiny seeds to earth. From these seeds, 3 small trees began to grow. The sun gave them warmth, the rain gave them water, and the earth gave them food. Storm winds gave them shape and made them strong. The trees grew and grew and grew until their crowns nearly touched the clouds. Aren't those beautiful trees? I just love trees. One summer day, a big red truck came to the quiet forest and took one tree away. The truck carried the tree to a mill where it was changed into many things. We use trees for so many things, right? We can make so many things from trees. The tree became paper. So all the paper we write on, right, comes from the trees. They used it for this paper so they could draw on it. They can play their pin the tail on the donkey. They used it for the wrapping paper to wrap their presents. They used it for the wrappers to wrap their candy in and their paper hats that they had. Wow, most of the things at the birthday party were made possible because of trees. The tree also became cardboard boxes. Look, they probably shipped something in this big box and then they used it to make a store. We talked about having a store or a shop, right? Today at reading. The tree became cardboard boxes and shopping bags and even this book that we're reading, this book. Wow, so many things are made from trees. In the winter, a big blue truck came and took the second tree away. The blue truck carried the beautiful tree to a big city. There the tree was covered with stars and horns and angels and shiny balls. It was covered with lights that sparkled and glittered and brightened the snowy nights. Christmas tree. How many of you have a Christmas tree? At Christmas time, right? Not right now, but at Christmas time. Yeah, I do too. I like Christmas trees at Christmas time. The beautiful tree filled the hearts of millions of people with kindness and cheer, and it brought smiles to the faces of children. The third tree still stands in the woods today. And it is the most important tree of all. Why do you think it's the most important tree? Or do you think it's the most important tree? Let's see why the person who wrote this book thinks it's the most important tree. This tree is home and shelter to hornets, honeybees, ladybugs, spiders, crickets, ants, katydids, and caterpillars, pheasants and quail and mourning doves, woodpeckers and flickers, squirrels and chipmunks, and even sleeping bears. It is home to lizards, possums and raccoons, runaway kites and butterfly cocoons, and blue jays and robins, cardinals and crows, chickadees, crossbills, and Titmice, nuthatches, and bluebirds, and owls and hawks and eagles too, all find shelter in its branches. Wow, that is a lot of animals. The mighty tree stands there still, sending out its tiny seeds to blow in the wind. Why do you think he thought that the last tree was the most important tree? Right? The first two kind of were used and they got used up, but the third tree continues constantly to be a home for animals and also to send out seeds so more trees can be grown, right? So they can provide for us the things that we need made out of trees, to provide a tree at Christmas, or to provide a place for animals to live, right? And these trees did not produce fruit, but we have trees that produce fruit that are also very useful. And so I was thinking that today for your little assignment on your paper assignment is to draw the tree that you think is very important. And I was thinking I would draw an avocado tree because I love avocados. I could eat one avocado every single day for the rest of my life. So I think avocado trees are very important. So which tree do you think is important? Yeah? Okay, so go ahead and draw a tree that you think is important, that you love. And we'll just be very grateful for all the trees that we have here on earth that provide us with food and paper and fun at Christmas. All right, have fun drawing your tree.